is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back at Copart for another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list. How about a good old school Ford Taurus? Oh, I know a lot of you are probably really disappointed. This is not what you came to see, but I love the Ford Taurus. I have had so many, I can't even tell you how many. I've had a lot of them. And I just love this generation of the Taurus. I always have. It's not for everyone, but this is one that I really, really like. I also like the fact that this one is listed as a non-runner. I take that as a challenge. Whenever I see one that says non-runner, I just have to come out here and see for myself if it runs. Look at this. This thing is pristine. It even smells good. We got cassette tapes. We got Barbara Streisand. We've got Don Ho, 30 hits, 2 records set. Oh man, something tells me Roger Williams, Mr. Piano. Something tells me this probably belonged to an older person. I gotta... These are probably worth a fortune right now. Curiously strong fact. For 3 days in 1924, Altoids were stronger than the US dollar. It'd be nice if there's a date on that. That's kind of cool. We got more cassette tapes. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Christmas favorites. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, so this was an older person's car for sure. Listed as an on-road. Look, you got your snow brush and your ice scraper all in one. This is actually a decent little car. The miles aren't bad on it either. It's got 123,000. The mirror got knocked off. The tires leave a little something to be desired. I don't believe it doesn't run though. I don't. Oh, okay. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. She's been sitting a minute, hadn't she? Poor girl. There's spider webs everywhere. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Interstate battery. Everything about this car tells me that whoever owned it probably took really good care of it. And unfortunately, as happens so many times, someone got older, couldn't drive anymore, quit driving, passed away. And the car is usually just set. There, something like this is not a valuable asset. It's hardly worth the time it would take to try to sell it to people, especially if it doesn't run. So this one probably doesn't. My guess would be, though, if I were to guess what was wrong with it, I would almost put, ooh, yes. Bingo. You see that? You see that? That's why it doesn't run. Yeah, that's a little ripe. I've smelled worse, and I've seen cars run on worse. But I'm not gonna lie, that's ripe. Ooh, I also didn't notice this. She's got a nasty ding down here. Does this door still work? Probably not. Well, it's locked. Probably for a reason. I didn't see that. I'll bet it works. Yeah, it works, but damn. Yeah, that, ouch. That's an ouch for sure. Not that it was worth much to begin with, but I mean, it needs all the help it can get. Little Tree's black ice. All right, well, oh. Nothing on the starter. Neutral. Nothing. The theft light is flashing constantly, so it seems to think there's a problem here. Let's put the original key in. Uh-oh. Well, that tells me she attempted to draw some current there for a minute. We got juice. Maybe we need to move. Let's move the negative up here. Maybe this will help it out a little bit. Okay. See what that does. We still have juice, or did it die? It runs. I knew it. Oh. Well, I got a little cocky there. She ran. Come on. Come on, old girl. You can do this. Well, that's bad gas. I guarantee you that's bad gas. She'll run. She just can't run long. Come on, old girl. Let's do this, man. Don't be shy. Come on. Let's cycle the fuel pump a couple times. Okay. I'll tell you what. You put some gas in this, I'll bet you it runs. What do we got here? The two sides of Victor Borge? I don't know. Nat King Cole, I give my heart to you. Piano. Someone loved their cassettes. I think she's done. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, here's the deal. She did run. She ran multiple times, and then she died. You could tell from all of this crap, she's been sitting a long time. Spider webs and everything. This thing has just been sitting a long, long time. There's the mirror that's missing. It even comes with it. Huge trunk and a road atlas. Seriously, this tells you everything you need to know about this car. Is it valuable? No, it's not. It's been sitting a long time. It's not in very good shape cosmetically. Mechanically, I would be willing to bet if you got under there and put some fresh gas in it, changed that fuel filter, I would put money that this thing would run. Could be wrong, but I don't think there's anything seriously wrong with this vehicle other than it just needs a little bit of work. It's been sitting for a long time, and as such, she's going to need a little bit of attention. But again, this is one of those cars, nobody's going to bid on this, unfortunately. It's just not worth anything to anyone. Maybe we'll throw a bid on it, but honestly, I don't think you guys would be interested in seeing a resurrection of a Ford Taurus. If you are, drop a comment below, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll throw a bid on it. Moving on. Next on my list, we got a 2013 Mini Cooper S with 112,000 miles on the odometer. Listed as a non-runner, it is a pedal car, and I see a service tag from a dealership or a shop in the rearview mirror. You know how I feel about dealer tag or service tags. When I see a service tag and the car ends up at the auction, well, it's probably for a good reason. The fact that it doesn't run isn't helping its situation at all. I do notice, though, someone's got a very nice set of Bridgestone tires on this thing. These are some, if you could say that tires are sexy, and you can't really, but I think these actually are. I love this look on the side. This looks nice. These are nice tires with good tread. They look practically new. Wow. Okay. Someone spent some money on those tires, I suppose. Let's take a look at the interior, and as always, I want to know if it runs or not. It says it doesn't, but that doesn't mean it doesn't. Ooh, it's a manual transmission too. I don't see any lights. Smells good. It smells real good. We'll go ahead and just put a jump on it. I love it says no smoking, so maybe it wasn't ever a smoker's car. It certainly doesn't smell like it. The interior is in great shape. If you're wondering about the Genesis sitting over here, you might remember this car from a few videos back. We looked at it and we were saying it's not worth much. The body's messed up. The engine makes some weird whining noise, but it ran reasonably well. They were asking 55 something for this car, like 5,500, something like that for this car. Not a chance. They've got it down to like 2750 now. Still, I'm not interested. Let me get this hood popped. Let's put a jump on it and see if we can get it to do anything. All right, the jump pack is on. Real quick, I just want to check the oil. She's got oil. There are spider webs under the hood, so makes me think this car has been sitting for a while. Coolant? No, there's no coolant. I don't know. Head gasket? Maybe? No compression? That would be my initial guess. We'll find out though. Let's just, ooh, it's so hot in here, good God. That doesn't want to go in. Let's turn it this way. Okay. Put her in neutral. No compression. No compression. What did I tell you? I had a feeling. I had a feeling. When I see no coolant and it's listed as a non-runner, it just, yeah, probably a blown head gasket. She's trying though. Okay. All right, where's the gas gauge on this? Oh, it's right there. Is it just me, or is there literally nothing on the gas gauge at all? Nothing. Could it be that it's just out of gas? Surely not. It wouldn't be that simple. When you hear it cranking, though, does it not sound like uneven compression? I don't know. Well, this car ended up here somehow. Let's see what it says here. It just says Mini Cooper 2013 two-door Coupe S pedal car. It doesn't say anything else. Service tag from a dealership or from a service department. So it ended up here for some reason. I do wonder though if maybe it ran, maybe it had another problem, like maybe the clutch was going out or something, because it sure sounded like it wanted to start. The fact that it wanted to start, plus the fact that it says it's got no gas in it, really leaves me wondering if this could actually run. Let's go back here to the fuel door. See what it smells like. And actually, that doesn't smell bad at all. I thought maybe it had been sitting for a long time. It's definitely been sitting. I don't think it's been sitting for a long time though. Oh yeah, she's dead again. I forgot I took the booster pack off. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I know minis are, they're generally best to avoid. You should really stay away from them, I think. I think they're neat little cars. I do like them. I would absolutely drive one. It's just, they're like the cheaper BMWs. And, well, they just don't last long. You see a lot of BMWs sitting out here. A lot of them don't run either. So I'm thinking maybe a head gasket issue, or maybe it really is just out of gas. Maybe you throw some fuel in it and the thing would fire right up and then you find out it's got a bad clutch or something. I don't know. Personally, I think I'm going to avoid this car, but definitely drop your comments below and tell me what you think of the little Mini Cooper. Moving on. Last on my list, by popular demand, I had no intention of showing this car at all. I really had no intention of showing this car, but believe it or not, I read my comments. I may not respond to them because, you know, I get hundreds and hundreds of comments on every video. It's hard to respond to everybody, so I do read through them. And I saw many comments about this Pontiac G5 GT. Everybody wanted to see it. Everybody was telling me what an amazing car this is, and I'm sorry, I don't agree with you. Personally, I like the Cobalt better. I know they're the same car. I do. I know they're the same car. Just personally, I like the Chevy Cobalt SS better. Now, this is the same car and the same powertrain. Why it's here, I don't know. It's listed as a non-runner. Ooh, the hood doesn't open. Oh, wow. Okay. Whew. This thing is in bad shape. This is rough. This whole car is rough. This is not, wait a minute. Is this not turbo? This is no, this is supercharged. Is this supercharged or turbo, guys? Or is it neither? Is this not? Yeah, because it goes straight from the airbox right into the intake. Okay, someone will have to comment below. Maybe this is not what I thought it was. Hell, maybe it's not what you guys thought it was either. I've had so many of you asking me to show this car. I walked by and I was like, man, the thing is smashed. It's got a wheel missing. It doesn't run. I didn't see any reason to show this car at all, but so many people wanted to see it. Here it is. Hell, maybe it's not a real GT. I don't know. These aren't my type of cars, really, guys. I like to play with them from time to time, but generally this isn't my cup of tea. Smells all right. I don't really want to, I don't want to waste my battery pack trying to start it, honestly. I don't see any reason to be looking at this car other than a lot of you just wanted to see it. So the interior is actually in really great shape. It's an automatic. Somehow I could have swore these were all manuals. If it was a real GT, maybe I'm wrong about that too. I wish I could see under here. I wish I could see under this, yeah, it's on some kind of a, oh, it's screwed on. That's what it is. Because I thought these were turbo. I do know that some of them were turbo, some of them were supercharged. But to be supercharged, there'd have to be a pulley. And unless I'm missing it, I don't see a supercharger pulley on this. Let's see what size engine it is. Because they're aren't they 2.2s? This is a 2.4. Yeah, I don't think this is a real GT, is what it comes down to, guys. I think someone lied. I think it's a fake. But there's going to be those of you out there that are absolute experts on the Cobalt SS and the G5. So definitely drop those comments down below. If it's a fake, let me know down below it's a fake. It's got the wheels, I guess, and it's got the badges. Other than that, to me, it looks like a fake. Moving on to the next one. So I was wrong. It's the end of the video, so I'm gonna chill here and cool off for a minute before I go out and record the next one. If you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. Let me know you enjoyed today's content. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not currently subscribed, and share the video with your friends on social media. It goes a long way to help support the channel. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.